What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, crypto universe. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, and would you believe it, we're making a video about Bonk today because Bonk has officially hit our price target of around 0.000010, which is right around here. Can you believe it? It actually met our target. Now, the market cap right now is around $712 million. I want to share with you in this video what we are now seeing in the charting and analysis. We predicted this on our channel and especially with our Patreon members. I cannot wait to talk about all this and what we could expect next for the Bonk token. So with that said, as always, if you want to get all the timely updates regarding Bonk, you need to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So over the past 24 hours, we actually saw that this token dumped 14%, so that is a significant drop. But since you've been watching our videos on our channel, you are pretty much ready to see this dip happen. Now, why is Bonk dipping? Well, it's not just the token itself. We gotta look at the cryptocurrency market cap, because right now, even Bitcoin took a dip. Yesterday, we were at 45,000, now down to around 42,000. Now, I made a video just earlier today to talk about why Bitcoin's price did go down. I'll put a link on the upper right-hand side to help you understand why that did happen. But because Bitcoin price goes down, we tend to see other meme coins, altcoins, layer ones, layer twos also go down as well. And because this is a meme coins go down a lot harder. Same thing with gaming tokens. But what's really interesting is that right now, in terms of the trending cryptocurrencies, Bonk is back up to number 2. Remember, not too long ago, this coin used to be at a number 4 or 5. So this is actually kind of good to see that this token hasn't fallen out of existence. People are still paying attention to this token. And why you guys and girls have always stayed tuned to the Bonk token, knowing that this token is going to have a reversal at some point or another. So let's get right into the nitty gritty, which is the charting and analysis. Now remember, we talked about our position here and where we took profits. We got a short signal on this exact point at around 1.8. And since then, we've had a strong decline to the downside. And guess what? It hit our price target around 1.0. Again, we made that prediction in our last video. I'll put a link on the upper right hand regarding that. So what are we expecting next? Well, consider this. We still are going to probably trade within this wedge between the green line and the support level of around 1.0. So if we bounce in between here, you could see that happen. And again, you could experience a breakout at any moment, but right now we're still below the EMA ribbon. So if we bounce in between this is roughly 6 days that this will go up and down within this wedge. Now, what I like the most about this chart is this, the relative strength index. We actually took a dip, and the reason I feel bullish around this is because we needed to see some people taking profits. All this oversold territory, we needed to go back down. And because of that, it left an opportunity for this actual meme coin of Bonk to have more gain. So what does that actually mean? So if this RSI continues to go up from here on out, then that means we could break past the resistance level around 1.3, and actually our next target would be probably around 1.8. We have to pay attention to the market every single day within the next 6 days. So again, I'll keep everybody updated on our Patreon page regarding our target level. And if you want to find out what price target we ended up buying more Bonk tokens, you have to join us because we want to provide all those different details for you. So what's great about all this is that if you're a smart investor and you're not placing your emotions into your trades, then you see prices that go down as an opportunity. You don't see it as an emotional way of, oh, I'm losing everything. I'm losing all the funds that I invest in this token. The part about being a smart investor and an experienced investor and trader is knowing that even when things go down, you can get gains that way, which is kind of crazy to say. And the last thing I want to close out is we have to look at the other meme coins within coin market cap. Right now, we saw that Shiba Inu used to be above $6 billion. Shiba Inu now is at $5.6 billion. Bonk is now at $700 million. Now, a lot of people were wondering when to actually have a price entry to get into this token. Now, what's really interesting is that right now, with 700 million, it's not that bad. Considering that this used to be at around $1.2 billion not too long ago. So right now, this is the time where smart investors decide to dollar cost average. I do believe that someday, one day or another, especially in 2024, that Bonk's market cap of 700 million Wolf Flip, Sheebs, 5.6 billion. Remember, these 3 meme coins are the only meme coins that are listed on Coinbase. So with that said, if you want to know our updates regarding Bonk with the inside tradings and exiting and entering within this token, join our Patreon page down the link below. Ask us any questions there and I'd be happy to help. So with that said, if you like what you've seen, like what you've heard, and you want to get all the timely updates with Bonk, please smash the like button and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive our alpha calls within the Bonk token. Till then, I'll see you guys and girls next time.